Hello. So, Google Workspace, formerly known as G Suite, is a collection of cloud based productivity and collaboration tools developed by Google. It includes popular apps such as Gmail, Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Meet, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. These allow users to communicate, collaborate, and share files with others, and also to create and edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentation. Google Workspace is designed for business organizations and schools, allows for easy collaboration, communication, and organization for teams of all sizes. It allows team members to share documents, collaborate on projects, schedule meeting, and more all in one platform. It also includes tools for managing and securing your company's data and user accounts. Google Workspace is hosted on the cloud, which means that all your data is accessible from anywhere with an internet connection, and you don't have to worry about software updates or server maintenance. It also offers different packages for different needs and budgets, such as a business, enterprise, and education. It's a powerful set of tools that can help boost productivity and collaboration with your organization. Alrighty, so if you want to take advantage of all the tools that Google has on its Google's workspace, okay, we need to have a Google account. All right, so it's really easy for you to create a Google account. Just type in on the search bar gmail.com, and it will put you right into this prompt to create an account. And you just need to choose whatever options that would suit you based on your preference. So let's use it for personal use for now. So let's put in your name. For example, my name is Juan, then Fernando as my last name, this very common name. Let's put in Juan F123, and oops, it's already taken. So let's use this one available here. Okay, and then let's put in here a password, which is hard password 1234, hard password 1234. Let's see if we got the correct one matching. All right, so we can put in the number here, but we can skip that part for now. Okay, let's see this one. Let's just put in some random numbers here, and let's click next, and then another one, click next. Okay, so now we have our Google Workspace loading up here, but basically this is one of the tools, which is the Gmail. So right now we're gonna go and use another tools, which is what we call Docs or Google Docs. So let's type in google.com, and it will open up this Docs here. If you want to create a document, for example, a resume, proposal, brochure, and many more, there is a template ready for you to be able to use. So for example, I'm gonna create a resume. All right, so you just need to edit this one like a normal. If you're using Microsoft Word, then it is just like this. Okay, but the good thing about Google Docs is that you will be able to invite people to collaborate with you, okay, by sending the link for this Google Documents to your colleague, and you'll be able to collaborate with them. They can edit it, they can put comment on your Google Documents, same as your Google Sheets and your Google presentation that we're gonna go further on this video. So for example, you want to send this one and have it edited by someone or collaborate with someone. So all you need to do is to click this share link, okay? and then you can choose anyone. If you have email of your team member, then you can just put in their email here, or just copy the link. So there are some options like a restricted one and anyone with the link. Okay, so for with the anyone with the link, okay, you can also have another option. Okay, so for the option, so this is how secured Google Docs is as well. Okay, so the security is that you can send the link, okay, within the organization. You can just send the link, but they cannot access it. You may restrict them, or you can have it accessed by anyone. Okay, so there is another option under that. Okay, if just in case you allowed everyone to view your file. Okay, so there is a view only, there is comment only, and there is an editor one. So of course, obviously for view only, they can just view it, they cannot comment, they cannot edit the file. Okay, so for commenter, okay, they can just once they have the link, they can have comment on whatever they wanted to comment on. Okay, and for editor, they can edit everything. Okay, so that's the good thing about this one. This is how secured this Google Docs and the sharing capabilities under the workspace of Google Tools. Okay, so once you're done, just need to copy the link and send it to your team. Okay, then click done. So that's how easy it is. So next is we can use also Google Sheets. So type in sheets.google.com. It is the same way with the collaboration. There is also template here that you can use. Okay, and again, you can share it. So that's the good thing about using Google Workspace tools, because you can share and collaborate with your teammates. And besides that, okay, it is secure, and other thing is that it is accessible by anyone online. Okay, so you don't need to bring flash drive or your pen drive to collaborate with your teammates just like before. Okay, and the other one here is I would like to show is the presenter, or present or slides, rather slides.google.com, wherein you can create your presentation. Again, there is a template ready for you that you can take advantage of. Okay, you can still collaborate with this one. Okay, and I would like to emphasize on the other tools that I'm usually use, okay, for gatherings and datas and leads, okay, is the Google Forms. So forms.google.com. So for this one, I usually use this one whenever forms at Google. Okay. So I usually use Google Form for gathering data. Okay, so this is really easy to use. So we're gonna create a sample from scratch, or sample from template rather. Okay, so you can customize this Google Form. Okay, and this is, you can link this one to your Google Sheets. Okay, so for example, student data. Okay, you can customize it to be bold. You can customize this one, okay, by clicking this customize. Okay, you can choose to edit the header, okay, by the one that's already in here, for example. Okay, so for students and so on, whatever the form, you can upload your personal preference for this one, like creating it on Canva and so on. Okay, so anyway, moving forward, this is our preferred header here. Okay, and then we can customize the text and so on here. Okay, and many more. Okay, so for now, let's fill in the details here just to show you. So this one, name, email. Okay, let's edit it, reload. So let's put in here the name, Okay, and you can put it here as required or not required, meaning to say they cannot move on to the next step or submit the form unless they have it filled up. So first, of course, name, email. So you're gonna see the asterisk here. So if you're gonna turn it off, then the asterisk will be gone. So asterisk means we turn on the required one. Okay, so address, telephone number. We're gonna have it required and comment if they have one. All right, so this one will not be required. So once you're done, okay, you can have it sent to your target target market or target audience or target data that you want to get. All right, so you can also have an options here. Okay, so you can see here that there is a Google Sheet here icon, wherein once you click this one, okay, it will pop up and create a Google Sheet. Okay, and it will show all of the data that was gathered on the form. Okay, for example, let me give you an example here. So let us share this link to someone, for example. Okay, and just click send or just copy the link here. Okay, we can shorten the URL by checking this box and click copy. And then, for example, you're gonna send it to someone you want to gather data. So click OK here. So let's put in here our name. For example, my name is Happy. Email is happy@gmail.com. Address is 1220 12 Corner Street, City, Street, and city, for example. Number is 0912 and whatever number that is, and comment. Then click submit. All right, so once the prospect or the person filled out the form, it will appear here real time. Okay, so you'll be able to gather some data. All right, so all of this, the Google form, the sheets, the presentation, okay, or the slide, the docs here, all of this will be found on the drive, okay, which is your cloud storage. So let's type in here drive.google.com, and guess what? All of the things that we have done so far is in here, and you can share also this Google Drive to your teammates. Okay, you can create a folder just like what you have on your computer. Okay, so you can create new folder, for example, and put all of this to your new folder. You can change the view here, like it is like tiled. You can have it on grid or tile, grid or list. So you'll be able to see a much better view if you have it on list, and you can easily have it dragged inside the folder, as easy as that. Okay, isn't it amazing? So all of this are now here. Okay, so again, you can still share this folder with your team by clicking the share link. Okay, and again, anyone with the link, they can edit, they can, whatever preference you have here, you can copy the link and have it sent to your teammates. So once you have it sent, then they'll be able to open the file. So that's how you use simply step-by-step Google Workspace. I hope you have learned something here on this video.